What's going on, Sean?
Hold on, Matthew.
This is Sean from Game Plan Experts, also a distributor of Nebo flashlights. This is even a Nebo great light. Puts on both sides. It's great for camping as well. But what I did is I want to go ahead and bring out Sean today. I'm going to go ahead and show him how to set up the trailers that he actually sells on his site. So we're going to go ahead and get started. It won't take us but just a few minutes. So we're going to show you from start to finish what this looks like.
Sounds good.
Okay, again, before I get started, I just want to go ahead and show you here on the back side what we're going to do just for safety reasons. We've got the Jeep still connected to the trailer, but with this Medi-Built trailer, it does come with platform feet here that you could make it for stability. So again, always think cautiously about safety. Also, you could put wheel chucks on either side, but for this setup, we're just doing a quick setup. But again, I just wanted to mention that before that. Again, these have been actually taken off, especially if you're going off-road. You don't want those hanging down or to fall down, and then that's going to cause even more issues for you. So just keep that in mind. Always be safe and about your surroundings. But again, this is hooked up to the Jeep, so there's no reason to go ahead and put those platform feet down. We'll go ahead and get started here. So just pull those pins. And then just kind of push on it like this. And we'll just start doing this first. And once we get it off, we'll go ahead and put it in the trailer. Okay, can we open up the doors? Okay, and then we got more Velcro here. Ben, if you want to, go ahead and come around with me. And do we have any more? We may have to go one more, I think, out on this. You're going to go ahead and pull these two tabs right here. That's going to release the ladder for you.
Yep.
And if you want to, just follow me. We'll come around this side. And now we know that we have everything unhooked. Check all the sides. What you're going to do, undo this right here from the ladder. And then just take this. Go ahead. Take it. Pull it all the way out. Now, yep. Now pull down. And then just bring it right back. And then what you're going to do is you want to make sure that this is completely level. So that's going to hold all that weight for you.
Yep.
And then you just check it. Make sure it's steady. There you go. You put up a tent.
And that's it.
That's how easy it is. So Sean, what these are going to be is this is how you're going to set these windows to be open. You have them opened on all three sides if you like, and we'll go ahead and do that for our video. And what you're going to do is you're going to make sure it goes through this eyelet.
Yep.
But you've got these little cutouts so you know exactly where they're going to go through. Just want to put it through that. Like so. Yep, that's it. And now you've just set yourself up with a nice window. Already got some circulation coming through. And another thing that Medi-Built's done here is they've also got a little cutout right here. So if you want to, you can run electrical through here if you have the little hookups or something like that. It just keeps all that cold air from going in during the night. So on this one, these have got a rain fly. That's what this is. In the same process, you're going to go ahead and put it through this eyelet, right? These two eyelets right here. This one might be a little bit harder to get to.
Yeah, they go in at a bit of an angle.
Yeah, they do. There we go. And I just kind of leave that rain fly hanging there. It's not going to do anything. And then we just got 2 more. I'll let you go ahead and go on that side, and I'll go on the other side. Yep. There's a little eyelet for it right here. There you go. Nice and tight. Next thing I want to do is just this awning right here. Already unzipped it. Just got a few little clips right here. A little Velcro. This is a very nice awning. I like the size of it. It's very simple to unroll and set up, especially with 2 people. So if you want to, just come here in the center, hold it right here. So what you're going to do is just come underneath here. These little feet will slide out.
Oh, okay.
And then you just twist here at the bottom. And just kind of get it started first.
All the way out. I'll actually pull mine all the way out.
It's all right. Go ahead.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Here, go ahead and hold this.
Okay. So don't pull that out so far.
Yeah, that's okay. We're learning. No problem. Just twist it back in. This right here is not actually anything that releases, it's just what holds those in the little rails. So then you just kind of twist it here at the bottom, and then we'll just work our way up. If you want to, just hold that right there, Sean. I'll meet you with the other two sets of poles here.
Okay.
If you want to just hold it here in the center for me.
Yep.
Get these other 2 poles here. So this same thing, you just twist. And what you're going to do is just kind of get it there started first, and then we'll work our way out and get it tighter as we need to. And then what you're going to do is I'm just going to start giving it a little bit more tension until we can extend it out all the way. And you just take these Velcro strips.
Hold that there.
Take these Velcro strips and just go them over the bar. And then we can adjust it a little bit later, make it straighter, level. Just like that. That's nice and tight. Also has guidelines here on the side too if you want to really crank it down, make it a little bit straighter, or if it's got some high wind. And then we'll do is just take it again, just kind of work our way up a little bit more.
Okay.
It's about as easy it is. And then if you need to, you can also always put this more of a decline, so if the water needs to run off or it's raining, that way the water comes off, that way it doesn't just pool here in the center.
Perfect.
It's a nice little setup. We've already got nice shade,
Yeah.
so we can kind of keep a little bit cool. And then if we needed to, we can get access to any of the stuff we need here in the back, which is a really nice setup. Again, here are those platform feet that I had mentioned before. We'll go ahead and bring those out for now. I just want to show you, Sean, real quick, that these have 2 200-pound slides.
Oh, 200, so they'll hold 200 pounds.
Yeah, absolutely. And you can just lift it with just a couple of your fingers. So how this works is you just pull this pin, rotate it until it locks in, and this little blue tab right here, just pull. It's got 2 locking sections on it.
Nice.
Nice tie downs for you with whatever you need. Tons of tie downs inside as well, all steel, so you don't have to worry about anything moving around in the back, especially with your off-roading. And all you do is you just hold that button down, give it a little bit of a push, locks in, and you're done. So again, 400 pounds by just a couple of your fingers lift. Right
Off-roading this summer?
Yes, yes I did.
And you took this beast out with you, so
Yep.
how would you think? Give us some...
I will say that, you know, just like anything else, there's going to be those issues where pulling a trailer up a hill, you're going to, you know, have that little bit of that pull.
Yeah.
but when you're on the highway, it is so smooth, you don't even know it's behind you.
Really?
I love the suspension work that they've done on this. I mean, the larger tires and just the complexity of it as being as level as possible. It's nice and pull. I've got really nice LED bright tail lights, which is nice. For those that need to, you know, tag your trailer, you've got a nice right here. It even lights up right here. But down, Sean, I mean, you've got four struts right here. You got suspension straps, shocks. I mean, you even got a 7-point, you know, for all your brakes. I mean, it's spot on. And if you need to, you can even help out another Jeeper. Even if you have a trailer, you've got another trailer hitch right here.
Trailer hitch there.
Or, you know, put a little winch right there.
Yeah.
Have fun with it.
Nice.
But I mean, it's very impressive. It's definitely made for going off road, and it holds a lot.
You come across these types of trailers out on these deals, and what's the difference in price? This one, fully loaded up with the generator. I think it's a 2,700 watt generator. There's a refrigerator.
Yep.
And you got the tent and everything else with the bigger tires and all that. I think comes in just a little under 11 grand.
Yeah, the price point is spot on, especially for those that are like, oh, I think I could just make this cheaper in my garage. You might be able to, but you're not going to get the suspension that you have on this. I mean, just the suspension alone and the tires and the wheels. Yeah, I could go buy some more tires and wheels and make my trailer look big, but this thing is designed, it's got the breakaway, the lock, all that kind of stuff for the safety. There's a lot of safety built into here.
Yeah.
All the locks, every single door here has locks, and we haven't got started. I'm just showing you how to set up a tent right now. We still got a kitchen to show you. Sweet. And the generator.
Well, let's keep doing it.
Let's go. So right here's our kitchen.
Okay.
And we've kind of got a little bit of shade here, it might be hard to see. But what you do is you just pull this out, and this is where you can put your stove if you want to. And I went ahead and brought my stove with me. I got my plates right here. But you know, you're just going to take your little Coleman stove. It's kind of what I've got here. Sets up real nice. And again, we're in the shade, which is so nice. I mean, when you're cooking, there's no reason not to have an awning over you, and you're ready to cook.
You're ready to go.
Oh, wait, there's water. We need water, right?
Oh, you have water.
So we've got,
Hey, I recognize that.
do you see, you may have seen this from your store.
Yep.
Thanks for letting me borrow it.
Yeah.
I think I might keep it.
You get to keep that.
So this is the Lifesaver, and this is actually a 5-gallon one, and it purifies the water for us. So when we're deciding to, you know, have something that we're cooking in, let's be safe about it, right?
Sure.
So it's getting all the purities out of it.
Well, on a side note, the salespeople over at Lifesaver let me know here probably, I don't know, it's about 3-4 weeks ago that they had just passed the mil spec. They exceeded mil spec for water purification.
That is impressive.
So
there's
nobody else.
Nobody else is doing that, right?
Right. Yeah. So it's a pretty unique product.
And real quick, for those that aren't familiar with the Lifesaver, I'll show you real quick. But right here, you've got your tap right here to turn it on and off. And then this is where you're going to actually pump it up, and this gives you that pressurization. So it's just an awesome setup, and again, this purifies over 99% of those impurities. And then if we need to, we can take this, and then we can throw it into our Road Shower 4. That's right, I said a shower.
Yeah.
So this is a little extra I put on here, but this is all pressurized at 65 PSI. We have running water, pressurized water. If we want to, we can again wash our dishes if we need to, fill up whatever we need to, as well as we can take this hose that's on the side, take a shower.
The Road Shower 4, what does that run?
This one, you're about 400 bucks.
About 400 bucks.
And the reason for that is this is all aluminum, powder coated, pressurized. People are all around trying to make their own. They're using PVC pipe.
Or
it's leaking, breaking.
So it heats up in the sun.
Yeah, let's hope this right here heats up very quickly because it's all black, it's all powder coated. It was very easy to install. It's got safety features. You've got, again, a hose, and if we want to, we can even put a shower head on here, hang it over the side, take a shower. If we want to, if we had other people watching us, or, you know, if I wanted my privacy away from you, I can put myself a tarp around the side, pull it down.
Well, they actually make, hanging panels.
For this right here?
Yeah, so.
Then that's what we would use.
Yeah.
So, again, okay, this is our kitchen. We got one more thing to show you.
Okay.
That's going to be our generator.
So it takes power.
Oh, yeah. Because as you can see, we're not anywhere, do you?
No.
Okay. So to get to it, we're going to come over here. And same way that I had mentioned before, you're just going to twist that one time and it's going to pull out. And this is a 2600 watt generator.
Oh wow.
It is very nice. It's very easy to start. You just turn it on. You can either do a run or you can even do a remote start. I mean, a key fob. I mean, it's slick.
Nice.
There you go. So Sean, I hope you enjoyed what you actually sell at your store.
Well,
this is the capabilities of what you sell.
The good news is that this one's mine, so
I'm
going to take it home.
So you're going to take it?
Yes, I'm going to put it in my
So
garage.
I sold it to you. I sold the owner his own trailer.
You did.
I'm a good salesman.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sean.
Appreciate it.